Ever wondered why your TV sound feels flat? Audio Pro A48 speakers fix that forever.
Ever felt your TV speakers are straight up gaslighting you? Whispering dialogue while explosions sound like someone dropping popcorn? You're not picky, you're just tired of pretending good enough is actually good. If thin, tinny audio has ever ruined your favorite scene, drop same in the comments right now. I see you.
Picture this. You finally sit down after a brutal day, hit play, and spend 10 minutes turning subtitles on because you can't hear the plot over weak, muddy sound. Meanwhile, cables snake across your floor like a bad decision from 2012. Imagine never apologizing for your setup again without adding more chaos. Keep watching. It gets good.
Here's where Audio Pro A48 walks in and quietly ends the suffering. Two floor-standing Scandinavian beauties in crisp white that deliver genuine hi-fi, deep, controlled 38 Hz bass that rattles your chest, silky highs that make vinyl addicts weep, and a soundstage so wide you'll swear the band is in your living room. Switch to movie mode and dialogue snaps into focus while surround effects swirl around you. No wires, no receiver, no regrets. One busy dad told me he paired them with his C10 soundbar, hit play on Top Gun Maverick, and his wife, who usually scrolls TikTok during movies, looked up and said, "Wait, turn it up." Another creator I know uses them for editing reels. He swears the clarity shaved hours off color grading because he could actually hear what he was doing. Here's your first reward. Place them 10 centimeters from the wall and the bass blooms like magic. No sub needed. The second reward is at the end. Stay with me.
Now feel this. You're in the climax of Dune, sandworms roaring, score swelling, and the Audio Pro A48 speakers make your couch shake while dialogue floats crystal clear above the chaos. No muddy mess, no "what did he say?" rewinds. Thousands of owners, from skeptical ex-audiophiles to Apple home fanatics, keep saying the same wild thing: "I didn't know wireless could sound this expensive." One reviewer called it the first wireless speaker that made me sell my wired setup. No, seriously, it's on Marketplace right now. A film composer I follow uses them as reference monitors and says the mid-range is so honest it exposed mixes he thought were finished. Which feature would save your sanity first? Lag-free wireless surround, whole home multi-room parties, or just never tripping over another cable again? Comment your pick below. I read every single one. And yes, the white finish looks like it belongs in a Stockholm penthouse. Guests always ask, "Wait, those are speakers?" before asking where the subwoofer is. Spoiler, you probably don't need one.
Stock in white is legitimately running low. Audio Pro can't keep up with people ditching soundbars and old hi-fi rigs. Join the thousands who already leveled up their movies, music, and sanity. Click the link, grab yours before they're gone, and unlock the secret movie mode tweak that makes explosions feel dangerously real. Don't just watch this video, go full send and transform your living room today. Comment A48 ME when you're in the cart. I'll know you're one of us.